Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Kia Niro service step by step. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, then press and hold the trip reset button until the service menu appears, scroll to the service interval, select reset, and confirm by holding the button until the display shows 0. Finally, turn the ignition off and then start the car to verify the service light is cleared. Start by turning the ignition to on without starting the engine, then use the steering wheel buttons to open the instrument cluster menu, navigate to the setup or service submenu, find service interval or maintenance, select reset and follow prompts to confirm. Some trims require holding a button for several seconds, and others require using the trip meter button, so check your cluster controls and proceed patiently to avoid accidental changes. Quick ad: if you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and keeps guides coming. On another note, socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty is a small recommendation for long drives and roadside comfort. Check the description for the link and other deals I listed. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the reset does not take, first repeat the sequence carefully, ensuring the ignition position was correct and buttons were held long enough. Next, check for software locks like dealer-only resets or pending recalls, consult the owner manual for trim-specific notes, and inspect the cluster for software updates. If the service light returns immediately, the vehicle may detect an unresolved fault, so run a diagnostic or visit a qualified technician to clear stored codes and verify repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.